Portfolio investors have withdrawn a whopping 37,976 crore rupees on a net basis from the Indian capital market so far in March. The overseas investors pulled out a net sum of 24,776 crore rupees from equities therein, and another 13,199.5 crore rupees from the debt segment between March 2 and 13, and this is from the depositories data which has shown us. This translates into a total net outflow of 37,976 crore rupees during the period under review. Before the month of March, foreign investors were net buyers for 6 consecutive months in September 2019. So they were net buyers, then they turned into
net
sellers, and whopping nearly 38,000 crore rupees on a net basis were withdrawn by them.
Yes, there was a virtual panic in the market, and it is very difficult, and panic across the world, not only in India. The US market was tanking. Everybody was pulling out of equity, and understandably so. This coronavirus may not be as fatal for people the way the governments are acting, and it may not kill as many people, but the disruption it is causing, and disruption which looks important, which needs to be done, that itself is creating a very grim outlook for the economy in general, for companies, for specific for specific sectors and companies. So it's quite understandable. It's very difficult to say that, what will be the loss, what will be the short-term loss, what will be the medium-term loss, and what will be the long-term implication of all this. But be prepared for this situation to continue for a while, because it is extremely difficult to estimate that how it is going to impact the earnings of a company, how it is going to impact certain sectors. We can only estimate or guess about it, and it will be a wild guess, because right now this crisis is still underway. We don't know. Every day the mood changes, the thinking changes, the actions visible are changing, the numbers are changing. So could put your fingers crossed. But at the same time, if you are a long-term investor in equity, if you are investing for few years, I don't expect it to last beyond 1 year. And it can well turn out to be not so significant thing 3 months from now. But it is anybody's guess. We don't know. So it is such a big uncertainty that understandably everybody is running away from equity. Running away in a hurry has caused this havoc in the market, the panic in the market. Indian markets are down. In general, I think the decline will be in the region of 20 to 25%, depending on what kind of fund or what is their portfolio. This is a very significant decline in a brief period of time, and the confusion that we see on Friday, what happened that the market did not open or opened to actually close down because of hitting a circuit, actually went up substantially, close higher up. But that is the reflection of the confusion. Nobody knows. So if you are there for the long term, hang on, and if you accidentally came by, you have reason to worry.